Assalamu alaikum everyone, and BONK we are trading at 1389, and now it's time that it is taking a little bit of a dip here to probably retest this broken area, and that's going to be right over here, right? So you're looking for probably a retest down to 1349 because you still have a technical target to 1554. Now there is one more thing that could actually be a food of thought, and that is this push can be believed that this was a small bullish rectangle with the break to the upside coming down for the retest. And if the retest happens, then if this is actually a bullish rectangle, we may look at BONK to continue all the way up to 1688. Previously you had a technical target to 1551, and then you have 1668, right? But keep in mind that 1553 is also one big resistance, so you have something like this as well. So be very careful, and that's pretty much it for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.